Hello there, kitten crew. It's your girl, Keke Pinks, and welcome back to the channel. I hope this video finds you in good health and happiness. If you're new to the channel, I would love to have you be part of the kitten crew. Hit that like button and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload videos. Today's set is going to be an opal tropical set, and I will have news about the giveaways and the coming kickoff celebration for my Twitch stream at the end of the video, so be sure and stick around for that. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Okay, so first off, I've already prepped and got my tips applied. I'm using my Couture Clear, of course, and I'm going to be doing a marbling effect and a dimension effect with some mylar flakes, some glitter, and some smoky neon. And what I mean by smoky is I'm going to take some small, very wet beads and kind of marble them throughout with some really translucent white, or actually I'm going to use a very wet bead of white to give it that smoky effect. The mylar will kind of act as the opalescent effect throughout the set. So yeah, so that's the game plan for this. And I'm going to mix up my glitters. I'm going to be using Valentino 136 from the Radial Lights collection for my accent nails, which will be my index finger and my middle finger. The other fingers, I will just do the smoked out colors with the mylar flakes on. So I'm going to pop on some music and let you guys enjoy the process. And I will hop back in during the art part and let you know what's going on there.
personne. Et ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps. Et si tu m'abandonnes, je suis pas celle que tu crois. Aucun cabron ne m'a touché, à part toi, caballero. Personne ne m'a touché. La cocaïne a pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestina à Miami. La cocaïne a pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestina à Miami. Moi mon frère est trop heureux, c'est tellement heureux. Un jour le feu a pris nos hommes, parce que d'autres l'ont décidé. Des gringos se tapent dans la cave, on sacrifie des destinées. Un jour le feu a pris nos hommes, parce que d'autres l'ont décidé. Des gringos se tapent dans la cave, on sacrifie des destinées. La cocaïne a pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestina à Miami. A pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestina à Miami. La cocaïne
Next part, my phone had died, so I accidentally was putting colors on, but I basically was just marbling some colors. That's the only thing I didn't catch on camera. So I just came in with some hot pinks and yellows and smoked them into each nail.
Extremely wet.
I don't want another lover, so don't keep holding out your hands. There's no room beside me, I'm not looking for romance. Say I'll be here, there's no way you'd understand. All I want, 'cause I don't even know my complicated. Say you love it when you're hating, and I can see it on your face. And no, I just can't take it. No, I just can't take it. You don't need to complicate it. Say you love it when you're hating, and I can see it on your face. And no, I just can't take it. No, I just can't take it.
I'm going to go ahead and buff the nails, and I've already filed them down the rest of the way. So what I couldn't get with the e-file, I used the hand file for. So I'm going to go ahead and use my buffers now, because I find when you do these dimension nails, you want to make sure, well, you want to make sure that you buff after you file anyway. When you're at the end of your set, it's just the right thing to do. You know,
go ahead and finish.
I noticed some people will just go in with the 180 and that's it. That's all they'll do.
With Savvy Land
that's
glow in the dark
hardly
spider gels.
everything. You want to go from, I like to start from 100 and I go all the way up to 280.
From
so this is actually my 100 grit right here.
Actually
my leaf gel files. I'm going to be getting leaf
I'm going
gel
to attempt to put a
guys.
neon
It's coming up
butterfly
in the next
decal
couple
on,
weeks.
but then I'm going to
I'm
rip off
actually
one
gonna
half
take
of it
all
because I
3
decide I
levels.
don't like the way it looks. So I don't know if I put that in there or not, if I kept that in or not. So, but I wind up just keeping one half of the butterfly
And then doing some watercolor painting. On the other nail, I do some birds of paradise. It's my first time doing birds of paradise, so be kind. And for the rest of the nails, I just, the ring finger and the pinky finger, I'm just going to do some spider gel. And the thumbnail, we're just going to keep it with the dimensions that we already have going on, the smoked out look. So, yeah, I'll go ahead and let you guys watch that. And then when it gets towards the end, I'll pop in and let you guys know what's up with Pink Kitten's Nail Atelier, giveaways, and different things that's going to be going on coming soon.
I swear we belong, I'm still hanging on, but something brings me back to you. still wish I had it, 'cause I wasn't even that good. Wasn't even that good. Forget you, I can't forget you. Truth is I'm dishonest, 'cause I'm always scared to get too deep. Truth is that I want this, 'cause I always see you in my sleep. Truth is that I love you, even when I'm trying but I need you. Forget you, I can't forget you. Truth is I'm dishonest, 'cause I'm always scared to get too deep. Truth is that I want this, 'cause I always see you in my sleep. Truth is that I love you, even when I'm trying need you.
that does it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share the channel. If I can get up to 500 followers, I will give away $200 worth of nail products. If I can get up to 1,000 subscribers, I will give away $500 worth of nail products of your choice. So don't forget. Goodbye, y'all. Have a good night.